Today, I'll walk you through a simple, practical workflow for creating polished captions in CapCut. Make sure your video clip is already imported and placed on the timeline before we begin. That way, you can follow along step by step. To start captions, open the Captions tab in the Tools panel on the left. The Captions workspace is split into subtabs, so you'll see Auto Captions, Auto Lyrics, Templates, and Add Captions. If you prefer, you can also access Auto Captions and Add Captions from the Text tab. If you choose Auto Captions, set the spoken language from the drop-down. The default is Auto Detect. There's an option for bilingual captions if you want two languages shown together. You can also enable an AI option to flag filler words like and ah, which makes cleanup easier. When everything is set, press Generate and let CapCut transcribe and time the captions. If your clip has sung vocals, try Auto Lyrics instead. It detects lyrics, aligns them with the music, and offers dynamic templates designed for lyric presentation, which can make music videos look much more professional. Templates let you decide how captions will appear. Open the template library and browse categories like trending, glow, or multi-line. Hover over a template to preview it in the player, then pick one and press Generate if you haven't already created captions. Templates control things like word-by-word highlights, glow effects, and font styles, and they save a lot of time. If you already have subtitle files, use Add Captions to import SRT or AS file. This is handy when you've used an external transcription service or already written your subtitles. To edit captions, click the Captions track to open the text editing panel on the right. By default, Apply to All is enabled, so any changes you make to position or size will apply across every caption for a consistent look. If you need to change a single caption independently, uncheck Apply to All, select that caption on the timeline, and make the change. For styling, the text panel includes options like Glow. Enable Glow, pick a style, and then customize color and intensity so your text stands out on busy footage. When you want to go back to editing everything, simply recheck Apply to All. You can also edit the full transcript in the Captions tab. Correct transcription errors or rewrite lines directly in the transcript and improve pacing. A pro trick is to nest all caption clips into a compound clip so you can apply video effects to the text. Select the entire captions track, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. With that compound clip selected, open Video Settings, find the Blend section, and change the blend mode from Default to Overlay. Overlay makes the text interact with the footage underneath, and you can experiment with other modes like Brighten, Screen, or Darken for different looks. Before you export, do a quick checklist. Make sure captions are fully generated and synced, proofread the transcript, and fix pacing so lines are short and readable. These final checks make a big difference in the viewing experience. That covers the full workflow from an imported clip to polished, animated captions in CapCut. Try these steps on a short clip to get comfortable, and you'll find that captions become faster and more professional each time you do them.